Tony, there are a lot of people that can claim to be, but there is only one World Heavyweight Champion, Ric Flair, the Nature Boy Ric Flair.
A man who wears the 10 pounds of gold, David. You're right, he is something. Nature Boy Ric Flair, the heavyweight champion of the world. Right now, let's go to Nature Boy Ric Flair to talk with the world's heavyweight champion.
Atlanta has been starved for the sight of a real man. Commitments all over the world have kept me from being in Atlanta. As much as Atlanta deserves a real man like Ric Flair. Who are you talking to? All you young ladies that are headed for Florida, you don't have to go to Disney World to find Space Mountain. It's right here. You pay attention, sweetheart, or you'll never get in line. The people stand in line because they're going to have an opportunity to see the greatest wrestler in all of professional sports.
Long limousine, just like that. Jet airplanes, just like that. Custom made clothes, just like that. And any woman in the world I want, just like that. Just like that. Just like that. Just like that.
The list is endless of all the big guns that want to be where I am. They want to wear the custom-made clothes. They want to ride around in long limousines. They want to woo the finest women in the world today. Well, gentlemen, you remember one thing. Ric Flair is forever, and so is NWA.
Long limousine, just like that. Jet airplanes, just like that. Custom made clothes, just like that. And any woman in the world I want, just like that. Just like that. Just like that. Just like that.
Woo! Looking so fine. Show 'em what's cooking in Atlanta, GA tonight.
Just like that. Just like that. Just like that. Just like that.
Woo! Looking so fine.
Just like that.
Wally Carbo, the great wrestling promoter, called me on the phone and said, Nate, that Slick Rick, champ, I'm going to make the price right. Brother, your credentials are unlimited. But you got to take a long look at yourself before you walk that aisle, because this right now is the toughest piece of work in wrestling today. Not Ricky Martel, not the Road Warriors, not the Freebird, not the Road Warriors, but Ric Flair. Woo! The living legend, the world champion. I can't help that I'm custom made. I can't help, but I'll tell you this. I can't help that I look good, smell good. Woo! Can't dance all night long. I can't help that I'm custom made. I can't help, but I'll tell you this. I can't help that I'm the greatest wrestler alive today. That's the world champion. Woo! Can't dance all night long. Woo! Can't dance all night long. Woo! Can't dance all night long. Winnipeg Arena's gonna be on fire. Woo! Can't dance all night long. Woo! Can't dance all night long. Woo! Can't dance all night long. It's gonna be on fire. You know what I'm talking about? Woo! I guess, holla! You really wanna jump on Space Mountain? Go! I'm gonna be available anywhere you see my name on the marquee, and you can ride.